engine P has a great power output than engine Q. So remember, power is equal to the work done over time. That's the formula for time, for power. And they say engine P has a greater maximum power than engine Q. That's a statement. Né? Which one of the following statement is correct? When P and Q each operate at their maximum power output, Q does more work than P in the same amount of time. P and Q do the same amount of work in the same amount of time. P and Q, look at this. It's all about more work than, same amount than, you see? So now let's try to find the correct statement. So in order for you to find the correct statement, you need to understand this statement that says engine P has a greater maximum output than engine Q. Let's try to analyze that. Okay, so now what they are saying is that if engine P, I'm just going to tell you that if engine P has greater power, because that's what they told us on the statement, than Q. What can we say about that? So this tells you that P is the one that is going to do, okay, B does what? The same work. P will do the same work in less time. That's what you need to understand. Or you can say P does more work in the same time. Or let's say P does more work in the same time. So you just have to do vice versa. Look at this. If it's same time, P is going to do more work. If it's less time, P is going to do the same work. I hope you guys understand that part. So Q does more work than P in the same amount of time. Remember we said P is the one that is more powerful. So here they are saying Q is the one that is doing more work. This one is out. Then P and Q do the same amount of work in the same amount of time. So we have same, that won't work, because we said if we have same time, there will be more work. If there is less time, there will be same work. So we have same, that won't work. Then this one is out because of same amount of time. Same amount of work, same amount of time. That one is out. So P and Q do the same amount of work, but Q does it shorter timer than Q. So remember we said Q, here they're saying that P and Q, they do the same amount of work, but they say Q does it in a shorter amount. So they are trying to say that Q is faster. Q is faster. So if they say Q is faster, this tells us that Q is more powerful. So they are wrong. P is the one that is powerful. This one is out. So this will leave us with the last statement. P and Q does the same work. So they do the same work, but P does it in a shorter time. So the correct one is D. Look at this. P does it in less time. So the correct one is P. So exam tip for this one, you know the best way to do this. Just know that more power, it equals to faster work rate. Yo, I can't believe that we're wasting we're not wasting so much time on multiple choice. We are learning, right?